A fully assembled computer system represents a functional unit ready for operation. The system's functionality relies on the seamless interaction of numerous components. Each component within the system plays a crucial role in overall performance and stability. The computer system operates through the coordinated execution of hardware and software. A computer system is fundamentally divided into two categories: hardware and software. Hardware encompasses all physical components of a computer system. Software comprises the set of instructions that direct the operation of the hardware. Hardware and software operate in synergy to enable computer functionality. Key hardware components include the monitor, keyboard, CPU, and mouse. These components represent the tangible parts of a computer system that users interact with directly. The monitor serves as the primary visual output device, displaying information to the user. The keyboard and mouse are input devices that allow users to control and interact with the computer. Software applications provide instructions that enable hardware to perform specific tasks. Operating systems manage hardware resources and provide services for software applications. Software components are modular units that can be combined to create complex applications. Applications and operating systems are essential for the functionality of computer systems. Software dictates the operations executed by the hardware. The interaction between software and hardware enables users to accomplish a wide range of tasks. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, serves as the brain of a computer system. The CPU executes instructions to perform calculations and manage operations. Internal gears and circuits within the CPU process data. Data processing involves complex calculations and logical operations. The CPU's performance is critical for overall system responsiveness. Efficient CPU design optimizes power consumption and reduces heat generation. RAM, Random Access Memory, functions as a high-speed storage component for rapid data retrieval. RAM provides short-term memory for applications currently in operation. This short-term memory allows for quick access and processing of data. RAM facilitates the efficient execution of applications by providing immediate data availability. Hard disk drives, HDDs and solid-state drives, SSDs are common storage devices. Storage devices provide long-term memory for files, applications, and the operating system. HDDs store data on magnetic platters, while SSDs use flash memory. SSDs generally offer faster access times and greater durability compared to HDDs. Both HDDs and SSDs serve the fundamental purpose of persistent data storage. The choice between HDD and SSD depends on factors such as cost, capacity, and performance requirements. The monitor functions as a primary output device. Visual information is displayed to the user through the monitor. Dynamic content is rendered on the monitor, providing real-time feedback. Colorful images enhance the user experience. Keyboards and mice serve as primary input devices for computer interaction. These devices enable users to control computer functions and interact with software applications. Input devices translate human actions into signals that computers can process. The functionality of input devices allows for seamless control and manipulation within digital environments. Computer components collaborate to form a functional system. Hardware and software integrate to perform computational tasks. Seamless operation demonstrates the synergy between system elements. Each component contributes to the overall functionality of the computer. Integrated systems enable complex operations and efficient data processing. Data flows through the CPU, RAM, and storage devices within a computer system. The data processing pipeline involves reading, processing, and storing data. Data is read from storage or input devices into RAM for quick access. The CPU processes data from RAM using algorithms and logic operations. Processed data is then stored in storage devices for later retrieval. Software instructions are executed by the CPU. CPU execution of software instructions results in actions on the monitor. Software commands hardware to perform specific tasks. The CPU interprets software instructions to control hardware functions. This process demonstrates the fundamental interaction between software and hardware. Software provides the instructions, while hardware executes them to achieve desired outcomes. The operating system manages hardware resources. The operating system provides a platform for applications. The operating system acts as the central manager of the computer system. Hardware resources include components like the CPU, memory, and storage devices. Applications rely on the operating system to access and utilize hardware. Effective resource management by the operating system ensures system stability and performance. Application software executes specific tasks, such as word processing or web browsing. These applications extend a computer's functionality to meet specific user needs. Word processors and web browsers are examples of application software. Application software is designed to perform user-oriented tasks. Application software enhances productivity and efficiency for users. Peripheral devices, such as printers and scanners, connect to a computer to expand its functionality. These peripherals provide input and output options beyond the computer's core components. Printers enable the output of digital documents onto physical media. Scanners convert physical documents and images into digital formats. Optimized hardware and software configurations contribute to efficient computer system operation. Proper system maintenance ensures optimal performance and reliability. Regular software updates are crucial for system stability and security. Efficient resource allocation maximizes system throughput and responsiveness. Defragmentation optimizes data storage, reducing access times and improving overall system speed. Effective cooling solutions prevent overheating and maintain stable system performance.